Today we will show you how to measure an elevator control panel for protective pads. All you need is a tape measure, pen, and our West Coast ProPad order form. Start by measuring horizontally from the door to the beginning of the control panel. Then measure the door to the end of the control panel. Now measure the wall width from the door to the end of the wall. This measurement is the entire width of the protective pad. Write down your measurements on our ProPad order form. Now measure from the top of the wall down to the control panel. Continue from the top of the wall down to the bottom of the control panel. And wrap up the cutout. Measure from the top of the panel all the way to the floor. This will be the complete height. If you have pre-existing wall studs to hang the pads in your elevator, we need the exact measurements from left to right, starting from the door's edge. Measuring each stud distance starting from the door's edge will ensure accuracy when hanging your new pads. Give us a call or go on our website and give us your measurements to protect your elevator today. Or email sales@Ipropads.com. We offer both canvas and vinyl heavy-duty protective pads for when things get a little rough. Visit Ipropads.com now. Protect your elevator today.